welcome back to my channel yang dah bersawang. So today we're gonna do a video True or Dare.
Yeah.
So my name is Izzah Nadira and
My name is Nora Asila.
she's my cousin.
So let's get started.
Apps called True or Dare.
This one. Yes, this one.
That one, the red one.
Okay. So
Siapa nak mula? She. Itu just
I think kita ambil medium lah.
Syam, dia terus sangat. Extra.
True.
True. Have you ever witnessed a crime?
Yes.
You?
Yes. Masa dekat tuition G.
Yeah, accident.
Bukan, ada orang gaduh. Polis datang.
Yeah, seram.
Buat Syam pula. Syam true ada.
True.
What colour?
Okay,
Okay. What would you do if you won $1 million?
Simpan dalam bank, investment.
Ada duit
Yes.
keluarkan?
And
Boleh
then
tambah.
bayar rumah, bayar kereta cik.
Wah, beli rumah, beli kereta.
Beli rumah, beli kereta.
Okay.
And sambung master dekat luar negara. True or dare?
True. Lepas ni dah.
Have you ever seen a ghost?
No.
No, never.
Dengar je.
Once.
Never nampak tapi pernah dengar.
True or dare?
Dah? Okay.
Okay, kiss the
Kiss the person to your left.
It's easy guys, so easy.
Malu dah pula.
She dah ready. Ini muka dia. Wait, kau dah malu. Wait, dia tak nak. Aku lagi dia. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Then next.
That's it.
Okay.
Next, true or dare?
Dah.
Put an ice cube down your pen and let it melt. Skip. True or dare?
Dah. Since we
Show
running out of
everyone the
time.
most embarrassing picture on your phone. Wait, jap.
The most embarrassing picture.
Ada kot, Syam.
Syam dekat phone Dila kan?
Okay, this one. Asal nak ambil gambar kan tidur.
Tidur.
Dah.
Dah. Let the group send a text to anyone in your contacts.
Oh my god.
I can do it.
Contact
Sini.
Ni Syam!
Anything kan? So,
Jangan Fidaus. Wait, kau kena ni Syam.
okay, she scroll 1, 2, 3.
3. Stop.
I can't do anything, so have to. Okay.
Wait, nak bagi
Sorry.
apa? Give me.
Send.
Hi, hey, hey.
Okay lah.
Okay lah, not bad.
She tak adalah jahat sangat. Okay.
True or dare?
Dah.
Let the person next to you look through all the photo on your phone.
Senang sangat.
Oh my god.
Tengok je.
Kau tak ada dah tengok dah.
Semua tengok dah.
Okay lah. For your impression full of selfie. Yeah girl. The most cute. The most cutest. Maya. Which is
So cute.
5 months? I don't know. Not sure.
Masa ni.
That.
Okay, then. Try to touch your elbows behind your back.
It's easy guys.
True.
Who's in the group do you find the most attractive?
Me.
Huh?
Me.
Self-confident level maximum.
Gurau je.
True.
Okay. Does size matter?
Yes, of course.
True.
What is the most embarrassing ads? What What is the most embarrassing thing your parents have caught you?
So semalam she dah bagi tahu Syam. So when my abah tengok masuk bilik, tiba-tiba tengok I tengah make up.
I rasa semua orang pernah rasa ke benda tu.
Ya, Dila sampai masuk bawah katil.
So mana panggil? Okay, true.
Okay. What is the best looking person you have ever been with?
Who is the best looking person you know? None of them.
Wow!
Damn! Baru dua je.
Okay.
Too much personal. Sorry. Anggap je lah you kan tak dengar. Jordan.
True.
What celebrity would you go gay for?
Selena Gomez.
Yeah, of course. Jordan. Call a random phone number and
Dila.
Yeah. Okay.
Finish you. Aku kena ni.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
So call a random phone number and ask what they are doing.
Okay, Syam.
Okay, cakap stop.
Stop. Wee! Classmate ni Syam from my classmate. Classmate degree. Okay. Okay. Tuan tangan kait, jangan kait.
Kita try 3 kali. Dia tak
Syam banyak sangat.
2 kali lah.
Hello.
Cakap.
Weh, kau okey tak? Kau tengah buat apa?
Aku tengah makan.
Oh, ya. Okay, bye.
Biasa.
Tapi aku tengah buat dare challenge dengan cousin. Lepas tu aku kena call kau.
Asal lah kena kau apa?
Apa? Syam?
Call random person in.
Person phone number. Lepas tu dia macam scroll. Lepas tu stop. Lepas tu dia stop kat nama kau.
Okay, good luck depan.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Kerja sister, Jordan.
Dah. True.
Dance to a song of the group's choosing. Okay. Yay! Okay. Ready, set.
Succeed walaupun okay lah. Okay, next.
Have you ever Have you ever cheated on a test? Yes.
Not the final lah, obviously
Okay
lah.
10 degree je lah belajar benda ni. Okay. Too much personal information lagi. True or dare? True. Have you ever cheated on someone?
No.
She's the most loyal person in the world.
No.
Yes.
True dah.
Free skip. Apa ni?
Dia tak payah true ada. Dia dah dapat skip.
Oh, okay.
Yay! Jahat!
True or dare? If you could kiss anyone here, who will it be?
Oh, anyone here? Me.
Self-confidence level maximum again. Okay, dah. Hold hands with the person next to you until your next turn. Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it.
True or dare?
True.
True. Have you ever gone skinny?
Dipping. No. Never. It would be weird.
Syam?
Naked.
Ano? Semalam. Weh!
No. True or dare?
Makeup?
Makeup freestyle rap.
Weh, aku tak pandai.
Okay, you have to. So she need to rap. At.
Syam, dia lagu apa? Oh, macam say.
Aku hilang.
Macam ni. No, Syam. Okay, dah.
Apa? No.
Tak tahu dia ni.
Nama umur. Yeah. My
Yeah.
name is.
Yo, my name is Iza. Yes. And I'm 21 years old. Yeah. And I'm So cute. So Dasar. Okay, tengok.
Okay, next.
True or dare?
True.
True. What would you do if you could stop time?
What would I do if I could stop time? Oh, as for now lah. She Oh yes.
Champagne.
Okay. She akan, kalau sekarang lah, dia ada two things. First thing is she stop time, lepas tu she pergi ambil finance dan paper sheet tu, she betulkan apa yang salah. So macam bila dapat, so she dapat good result. Lepas tu yang lagi satu, she stop masa, so she boleh masuk dekat airplane. Lepas tu she naik flight, she pergi Korea, she jumpa Pak Seo Joon. Nanti she cakap, okay, plane.
Pak Seo Joon. So perfect.
I wish.
True or dare? True.
Apa Amin? Amin lah cerita dia.
True. What is the most disgusting habit you have?
Apa?
Every morning, tak gosok gigi tapi makan breakfast. Everyone do that kan?
Kan? Orang Japan. Orang Japan dia orang membuat macam tu.
Ya.
Cuba macam tak silap
Okay,
lah.
maksudnya benda tu bagus lah.
Bagus.
True or dare?
Okay, so last two question
Last
two question
two
she,
question.
two question Adila.
True. True. Have you ever been cheated?
Yes.
That's
Apa
the
sesuatu
sad
ini?
question.
Krik.
Been cheated on.
Tak suka soalan ni. One, two, three.
Yes!
Yes.
So, yeah. Talk in a
British accent
for the rest of round.
Oh, the round. This round lah. So,
Sekejap.
all the round. Oh, this round.
Okay. This part je kot.
Okay. So,
So cakap, that's rubbish.
okay, she nak Adila bagi.
That's rubbish! Okay dah. Dah ke? Kau nak lagi?
Bagilah tahu Dila suka makan apa.
Alah, Syam macam sangat je.
Okay lah, hari ni Dila pakai apa?
So today I'm wearing black shawl. Tak sama langsung. Tak sama. But makeup, a rap about the nice person next to you.
Rap lagi.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nanti bawa perasaan Dila. Hey, her name is Iza Nadira, and your heart is so pure like I don't know.
Tu je.
Malu lah.
Okay lah. Tuan Betan. True or dare?
True.
Have you ever left a restaurant without paying the bills?
Of course no.
You have to pay the bills after you eat.
Yeah.
Okay?
Jangan lupa. Okay, go through it. Okay.
True or dare?
True.
True. Free skip.
Alah.
Wow.
True or dare?
Dance with
No music for 15 seconds. Okay, dance kat sini Diri.
Syam.
Dah dah. Sini aku. Kau jangan. Macam kau sikit. Okay. 15 seconds jap. She kira. Wait.
Tahu je. Sini 1 second. Stop.
Okay, go. Go, mana boleh? Mana nak nampak? Like, okay, done. That's all for today. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. So, we actually do it for fun.
Yeah. Sebab sekarang not interesting at all.
So, Sorry.
Jom, interesting as.
Terkejut Shi. Okay.
Okay, bye.